just wanna see how beautiful you are.
I'm gonna do a new intro, and it's gonna go like this. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. Oh freak, I gotta turn off my fan. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. It's Arissa. Today, I was looking at my puppy. Today, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup tutorial, pretty much. So yeah, okay. Move over, I gotta go. I gotta film. Move over. Move over. Move over. Okay, King. Okay. Hey! First thing I'm gonna go in with is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and put that all over my lids. Now we're gonna go in with the 35B palette. I don't know if they still sell it because I haven't saw it on their site in a while, but this is the palette that I'm going to be using. If you see me like looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. We're gonna mix these two shades to set our eyelids. We're gonna go in and mix this shade and this shade together. Yeah. The Modern Renaissance palette, so we could go in with like these like pinkish shades in here. So we're gonna go in with the shade Love Letter, but we're gonna be really gentle too because like it's really pigmented. And we're gonna try to mix Caprice, Umbra, I don't know, and Love Letter together to make it like more darker. We're going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32. Yeah, I'll just put that on my hands. Okay. Just gonna go to both sides of the brush. Okay, I've never done nothing like this, so hopefully this turns out good. So now we're just going to go in with a little bit of the Modern Renaissance palette with Crispus, I don't know, these two shades. So I really like the eyes. Like, I really like it. We're gonna go in with the Professional. And then just put this in like our T-zone. Pretty much our T-zone. I'm gonna go in and use this ColourPop brow pencil. We're just gonna do light strokes because this is in the shade black. And I don't really want to do too much to the brows today because I don't want to take it away from the eyeshadow. It's mostly about the eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the Fenty and the Maybelline. For the Fenty, I'm in the shade 410. And for the Maybelline, I'm in the shade 330. Now I'm going to go in with the ColourPop concealer and the Tarte concealer. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline 20 in the shade 25 Moyen. That's the shade that I use for my concealer. Contour our bronzer in the shade Mahogany. I don't want to blind y'all, so I'm just gonna go like this. Dust off of the under eye bake. And just spray our face with the Wet n Wild matte finish. The Becca in the shade Champagne Pop. But we're gonna go in with the Palm. I don't know. These ones, these eyelashes, they're from Kiss. So go pick some up. They're freaking bomb. I love them. We're gonna go in with the Ardell Lash Grip Eyelash and Adhesive. just gonna go in with the Too Faced. This is the blush that I've used since forever. So now we're just going to go in with the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. I'm going to finish off my lips with some Carmex. Go back in with Love Letter from the ABH palette and just go underneath my eyes. We're going to go back in with the Champagne Pop and then just add some into the inner corners of our eyes. Okay, now I'm just gonna finish off the look with the Wet n Wild Fenny Matte. I don't know how to say it. Yeah. Bye, boos. Thank you for watching my video. Oh my god. So I know y'all fixing to live this look if I love it so much. Like, just follow this tutorial if you guys want to do it. Like, I know you do, because like, why would you not, like, if it's this pretty beautiful? Okay. See you guys in my next video. Bye.